This is Shafiq Sembatia, systems developer at Summit Tech World. Welcome. So today it's not about camera installations. Very many people know the tech by cameras and websites. We also do systems, a series of them, e-learning systems, evoting, um, very many of them, point of sale. So today I'm going to show you a point of sale system that can actually help you manage your business in a perfect way. Okay, we go. So this is a login page, sign in. So once we sign in with a point of sale system, we expect things like products. We expect things like units, brands, categories. We expect people to do adjustments. We expect different quotations to different people. We also expect sales. You create a sale, you view sales, then shipments, things relating to transportations. We also expect HR, human resource management, where we have the company details. After that, we can have designations. We have office shifts, morning, evening, night, from what time to what time. Then we have employees and their attendances. Then we have leave requests. We can have a series of leave requests, and then holidays, different public holidays registered in that system. So you can also have transfers, creation of transfers within the system. You can have transfer of different products from one warehouse to another. We have expenses. Someone has to register those different expenses so that you make accountability of your business. Those expenses will also include the payment of salaries. So we have sales return. If someone has bought something and they have returned it because of one way or another, one reason or another, you find them here. So purchases, you create purchases. We expect that different suppliers give you different products. So once you enter in a product, we expect that you move to the purchase section, then you purchase that product. So having the product in your system is one, then purchasing it is another. So by purchasing the product, you have to, of course, have different people who give you different products, what the people we call suppliers. So if like for us who deal in ICT, we know Hikvision gives us a lot of devices, cameras, and so on. Then of course, when you want to buy these other minor things, you can have a default supplier like Summit Tech World, so that you track yourself of these different products you buy from different other minor people. So just like you see here, we have NetOps, we have different suppliers. So with suppliers here, we also have customers, different customers. Once you want to track one or more customers that are always frequent to your business, this is where you have them. Then you have system settings. With system settings, you change different settings, things that are supposed to appear on your receipt. Yeah, so you change a series of things here. We can also include messaging and emails. With messaging, we can talk about some different gateway. We use the Twilio, is a better SMS gateway. Then with email configurations, you can configure the host, the port, username, password, and kind of encryption. Then you submit. So that because this system I'm working on is online, so we can have one online, or you can decide to have one offline. So when you have a system offline, we don't expect these kinds of messagings to go through. But once you want something online, then these messages have to go through. So we also have reports, payments. You can have different reports on payments. Under payments, we can have purchases, sales return, and purchase returns. Then you can have profits and loss in form of a graph. You can have a graphical representation of all these things. Uh, and move to warehouse reports, whereby you can find things relating to how you have paid how you have paid salaries to your employees, expenses. So under expenses, you can really know how much you have invested where, and then you can have a graph showing any of those things. So what about point of sale? When we come to point of sale, we have injected a barcode session whereby you can also use barcodes. So now when you're creating a product here, create product, you can have a kind of different barcode symbology. You can have code 39, code 128, those different codes. And once you want to print those codes and have them on your products, you come on print codes. Then you can identify different products here. Then let me see, I've not selected the warehouse, Summit Tech. Then at Summit Tech we sell things like routers, so D-Link router. So if I want to create a barcode for that, then I update that. So see, we have different we have the same barcodes on a paper, so you can now go on and print this. Once you print, you can cut through and then you print on your product, so that you just use a barcode to eject on the point of sale here. So here we select customer. Of course, if you are selling to this kind of customer, it means this customer will be in the system and we shall always be in position to track what they're buying. So you can click on a product. Once you click on a product, we expect that product appears here. DVR for channel, that is the amount. Quantity, can increase the quantity. Then discount, if you give some discounts, then you can probably give a person that kind of discount. Then you pay. On payment, this is the amount the person is supposed to pay. What is the amount the person has given you? If someone has given me that amount, then the system will be in position to calculate the change. So here you don't need to stress yourself about a calculator. The system does all those things. So has someone paid cash or credit card or Western Union? So you also record this. And then after the submit button is pressed, you'll see a printout of how that receipt is going to be. So we recommend that this system uses a small mini printer. We call them ex-post printers, all post printers. Those small printers, like the ones you see these bank agents use. So the receipt will be like this, having a barcode, and all this information can be changed to any information you want if you need to get this kind of system. So you can either print this or save as PDF. When I save as PDF, I'll save it somewhere, downloads, maybe seat 0, that, and I save it like that. If I need it, I'll come to downloads here, then I look for receipt. I look for receipt. I think I've saved it in downloads. Okay, I think right. All right. Let me just save it again. In documents. Oh, we saved it in documents. I see here it's documents that is highlighted. So I need to go in documents. Then it's here. It's right there. Oh, sorry. Okay. Right. So this is how the receipt will look like. Oh, this is how the receipt will look like. So we shall have the company name details and and of course discount if there was a discount, and the total price, the grand total. Okay, back here. So there are very many functions in this. When you move to dashboard, you can see the sales, purchases, sales return, purchase returns. Then you can have a graph of top selling products. This week you can have sales of this week, or you can click in purchases and be in position to actually see the purchases. Then stock alerts always appear here. 700 products alert. Very many products have entered a series of products in this as trial, so that's why you can really see they are alarming. So they are alarming because we set a stock alert onto them. When you are creating a product, there is stock alert. So they must alarm to you so that you actually you make adjustment or you buy new stock. So stock alert, once you make stock alert to 10, then you'll find that at 10 it will alert you that stock is almost getting over. So that is it. This is a very good point of sale. Yeah, for those who need to actually have a modernized way of making accountability of your businesses, this is the best thing. Is the best thing. My name again is Sembata Shafik. I'm a system administrator. I've created a series of systems, very many systems, and they are running. They are over the site. Ask me anything about systems. Ask me anything about systems. Systems. I know a series of things about systems. Please use me. Use me. I'm here. Can create a series of systems for you, for your business, for your business. Summit Tech World is the company I represent. I'm the CEO at Summit. CEO at Summit. Bless.